Reflect in English podcast.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Reflect in English, the podcast that helps you learn English in a calm, friendly, and fun way. I'm Maya.
And I'm Leo. Today's episode is a big one. It's something many English learners feel. Maybe you feel it too. It is, I can read English, I can follow and repeat English, but I cannot speak English by myself.
Oh yes, this is huge. I hear this from learners all over the world. They say, Maya, I understand the words. I can copy the sounds. But when I try to speak alone, nothing comes out.
And if this is you, don't worry. You're not broken. You're not bad at languages. You're not slow. You're not behind. You're just human.
Exactly. And today, Leo and I want to talk about why this happens, what it means, and how to move from I can repeat to I can speak.
Right. So just sit back, breathe a little, smile a little, and let's talk.
Okay, Leo, let's start from the beginning. Why is it that many learners can understand and repeat English, but speaking alone feels impossible?
First, because speaking is production, not recognition. Recognition is easier. Your brain sees a word or hears a word and says, "Ooh, I know that." But to produce a sentence, your brain must choose the words, the grammar, the sound, all at the same time.
It's like dancing. You can watch someone dance, you can even copy a few moves, but dancing alone from your own ideas, that's another level.
Exactly. And you know what? This difference is normal. Even babies understand their mother language for many months before they speak their first words.
Yes. And many adults forget that language is not a test, not a school exam. It's something your brain builds slowly.
Let's say you can read a sentence like, I want to drink a cup of coffee. When you read it, you know every word. When you repeat it, easy. But when someone asks you at a cafe, what would you like to drink? Suddenly your brain goes,
Because now you need to build the sentence, not just copy it.
Exactly. And many learners think they are failing, but really they're just in that natural step between passive knowledge and active skill.
I want to talk about something more emotional, more personal. Many learners freeze because they're scared.
Yes, fear is huge.
Fear of mistakes, fear of sounding wrong, fear of being judged, fear of speaking slowly, fear of forgetting words.
And sometimes fear of your own voice in English. It's strange, right? Like you hear yourself and think, that's not me.
Oh my God, yes. When I learned French, I felt like my voice was wearing a costume.
I felt that with Spanish. I sounded like a weird version of myself. But here's the truth. Every language gives you a new voice. It's normal.
And to all our listeners, you are allowed to sound like a beginner. You are allowed to make mistakes. You are allowed to speak slowly.
Actually, I'll say this. A beginner who speaks is 10 times stronger than an advanced learner who stays silent.
Oh, say that again.
A beginner who speaks is 10 times stronger than an advanced learner who stays silent.
Yes, because courage grows skill. Courage is the muscle that builds language muscle.
And if you're listening to this and nodding, maybe today is the day you give yourself permission to speak badly.
Bad English today is good English tomorrow.
Exactly. No one builds perfect English in silence.
Now, here is a very important message. You do not need complex English to have real, normal conversations.
Yes, many learners think they must speak like a textbook.
Like, therefore, in conclusion, nevertheless. Like, no, real people don't talk like that.
We say things like, yeah, sure. Oh, really? I don't know. It's okay. Wait, what? Let me think. That's funny. Give me a sec.
And these simple phrases are powerful. They let you keep conversations alive even when you don't know everything.
So if your English is simple, that's not a weakness. That's good communication.
Simple English is real English.
Yes, people speak with short sentences all the time. For example, natural English. I like it. It's nice, but I think I prefer the other one. Textbook English. Although this one is aesthetically pleasing, I believe I would rather choose the other option.
Only one of these sounds like a human being.
So, if you can speak simple English, you can speak. Period. Don't wait to be advanced. You don't wait to play basketball until you can do a slam dunk.
Exactly! You start with small moves. Okay, Leo, let's give our listeners a little demo. Let's speak super simple English for 1 minute to show how useful it is.
Sure. Maya, what did you do this morning?
I woke up, I made tea, I listened to music. Very slow morning. Very nice.
Sounds good. What music did you listen to?
Soft music, calm music. It helps me wake up.
I like that. I need loud music in the morning.
Oh, why?
Because I'm sleepy. I need energy.
That makes sense.
What are you doing later today?
I have a small meeting, nothing big. Then I want to read my book.
What book?
A simple novel, easy English, for fun.
Nice. I like easy books too.
See? That conversation was simple, but it was real.
And natural. And comfortable.
So if you think your English is too simple, it's not. It's perfect for starting conversations.
Remember, communication is the goal, not perfection.
Now let's talk about real steps that help you move from repeating English to speaking English.
Step 1. Speak tiny thoughts out loud.
I mean tiny. I'm hungry. I'm tired. I'm going to the kitchen. I can't find my keys. This coffee is good.
Yes, narrate your life in baby sentences. These build fluency.
Step 2. Don't translate. Use easy English you already know.
Yes, many learners get stuck because they try to translate big ideas from their native language.
Yes, like thinking, I want to say something very complex and the English must be perfect. Don't do that. Instead, think small, speak small.
For example, if you want to say something like, I had a chaotic and stressful morning because the bus was late and I spilled my coffee and my phone battery died, you can simply say, my morning was not good. So many problems. The bus was late. I spilled my coffee. My phone died. Bad day.
And guess what? That's great English.
Step 3. Use I, you, it templates.
Templates are your friends. Here are a few. I like blank. I need blank. I don't understand blank. I want to go to blank. Can you help me with blank?
These simple frames help your brain produce sentences faster, like training wheels on a bicycle.
Step 4. Shadow, but with a twist. Many learners already do shadowing, repeating what they hear.
Yes, but here's the twist. After shadowing, make your own version.
For example, original sentence. I went to the store to buy some fruit. Your version? I went to the market to buy milk. Or, I went to the store yesterday. Or, I want to go to the store later.
That create your own version step is where speaking ability grows.
Step 5. Celebrate every small win.
If you said one full sentence today, that's a win.
If you spoke slowly but clearly, that's a win.
If you tried, even for 5 seconds, that's a win. Because every small step is a step toward fluency. And fluency is hundreds of small steps, not one giant jump.
Before we close, I want to talk directly to our listeners.
If you feel stuck, if you feel shy, if speaking feels heavy, I want you to know something.
You can speak English. You can speak it in your own way, at your own speed, with your own voice.
Don't wait for perfect English. Perfect English does not exist. Even native speakers pause, hesitate, forget words.
Oh yes, humans forget words in every language, so please don't punish yourself for being human.
You are not behind. You are exactly where you need to be.
And the fact that you're listening to this podcast means you care. You're trying, and that is amazing.
Before we end, let's do a little speaking exercise. Repeat after me. Keep it simple. Go slowly.
Ready?
I can speak English.
I don't need perfect English.
Simple English is good English.
I can learn one small step at a time.
I'm not afraid of mistakes.
Every day, I get better.
I can speak. I really can.
We hope today's episode made you feel understood, because you're not alone in this.
Yes, and if you want more episodes like this, easy to follow, gentle and motivating, stay with us.
Remember, don't wait for confidence to speak. Speaking creates confidence.
And we'll be here to help you every step of the way.
This is Maya,
And this is Leo.
and we'll see you in the next episode of Reflect in English.